In 2025, AI isn't just helping us anymore. It's replacing entire workflows, entire departments, and in some cases, entire jobs. But here's the truth nobody tells you. The people who learn how to use these tools early will not lose their jobs. They will replace the people who don't. So today, I'm showing you 7 AI tools that are quietly replacing real jobs right now, and how you can use them to stay ahead instead of getting left behind. This is not fear. This is preparation. Let's get started. 1. OmniWrite, the professional writer. Replacement for ChatGPT writing simple paragraphs. OmniWrite is replacing entire writing teams, copywriters, content writers, blog teams, even email marketers. It analyzes your writing style, target audience, tone, and competitor strategy. Then it writes full long-form articles, sales pages, emails, scripts, SEO blogs, instantly. Companies are replacing freelance writers, junior copywriters, SEO article writers, email writers, because OmniWrite produces content faster and cheaper. But here's the opportunity. People who learn to guide AI can produce 10 times more content and earn 10 times more money. 2. VisoFlow, the office worker. Replacement. VisoFlow connects to your email, calendar, documents, spreadsheets, CRM, and communication tools. It does tasks like replying to emails, scheduling meetings, generating documents, preparing reports, cleaning spreadsheets, organizing data, summarizing entire inboxes. This is secretly replacing virtual assistants, admin staff, and office assistants. Companies love it because it is fast, accurate, never tired, never sick, always available. If you learn to manage tools like VisoFlow, you become unstoppable. 3. FrameForge, AI, the video editor replacement. This tool is the nightmare of video editors, but the dream of content creators. FrameForge automatically edits short-form videos, syncs clips to your voice, adds captions, picks B-roll, adds transitions, color corrects, cuts filler words, exports ready-to-post videos. Editors charging $100 to $300 per video are losing clients fast. But creators who learn these tools can produce 10 times more content with zero editing skills. 4. SynthVoice Pro, the voiceover artist. Replacement. This AI creates ultra-realistic human voices. Emotional, cinematic, powerful. It can mimic multiple languages, accents, age styles, gender, emotions. Companies no longer hire voice actors, audiobook narrators, ad voiceover artists, radio presenters. They use SynthVoice Pro because it is cheaper, faster, unlimited. This is not the end of voiceover work. It's the beginning of AI-enhanced voice production, and people who adopt it will dominate. 5. MarketMind AI, the marketing analyst replacement. This tool acts like a full marketing team inside one AI brain. It analyzes competitors, researches your market, gives audience insights, tests messaging, predicts trends, builds marketing strategies, optimizes campaigns. Normally, brands hire entire teams to do this. Now, they don't need to. This is replacing marketing analysts, data researchers, junior strategists, campaign testers. If you learn MarketMind AI, you can create strategies that used to cost $10,000 from agencies. 6. PixelForge Studio, the graphic designer. Replacement graphic design used to take hours. Now PixelForge generates custom designs instantly. Logos, posters, banners, social media content, thumbnails, all done in seconds. It's replacing junior graphic designers, freelance logo designers, thumbnail designers, social media designers, but designers who learn how to style AI will produce better work than ever. AI is not killing design, it is killing slow design. 7. AutoBuild AI, the junior developer replacement. This AI writes code from scratch. But more importantly, it understands the code. AutoBuild can build full web apps, fix bugs, optimize code, generate APIs, test software, create dashboards, deploy applications. Companies are hiring fewer junior developers because AutoBuild works faster. The winners? Developers who learn to architect the AI instead of coding everything manually. These tools aren't here to take your future. They're here to give you a new one. Because the truth is simple, AI does not replace people. People who use AI replace people who don't. Don't wait. Don't get left behind. Start learning these tools today. And if you want more videos that keep you ahead of AI, subscribe to Work Smarter AI. We are building the future here, together.